Ferroalloys supply solutions for metallurgical and industrial applications. Presented by URGS International. Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss one of the most critical raw material categories that drives the global steel, foundry and metallurgical industries. Ferroalloys. Whether you are involved in steel manufacturing, foundry operations, automotive component production, heavy engineering, infrastructure development, or export-oriented industrial manufacturing, ferroalloys play a vital role in determining the quality, strength, durability, and performance of your final products. At URGS International, we provide reliable sourcing and supply solutions for a wide range of high-quality ferroalloys, helping industries achieve consistent production quality, operational efficiency, and competitive advantages. In this video, we will cover what ferroalloys are, why they are important, different types of ferroalloys, their industrial applications, key quality considerations, challenges in procurement, how URGS International helps industries source reliable ferroalloy products. Let us begin. What are ferroalloys? Ferroalloys are alloys of iron combined with one or more elements such as silicon, manganese, chromium, nickel, molybdenum, vanadium, titanium, phosphorus. These materials are primarily used in steel making and metallurgical processes to improve the mechanical and chemical properties of steel and other metal products. Without ferroalloys, it would be nearly impossible to produce modern high-performance steels required for industries such as automotive, aerospace, construction, energy, railways, defense, and industrial machinery. Why are ferroalloys important? The primary purpose of ferroalloys is to enhance metal performance. Depending on the alloy used, ferroalloys can increase tensile strength, improve hardness, enhance wear resistance, improve corrosion resistance, increase heat resistance, improve weldability, enhance impact strength, improve metallurgical consistency. As industries continue demanding stronger, lighter and more durable materials, the importance of quality ferroalloys continue to grow. Now let us see ferrosilicon. Let us start with ferrosilicon. Ferrosilicon is one of the most widely used ferroalloys in steel making and foundry applications. It contains iron and silicon in controlled proportions. Key benefits: powerful deoxidizer in steel making, improves steel quality, enhances magnetic properties, reduces oxygen content during production, improves casting quality. Applications: carbon steel manufacturing, stainless steel production, foundries, textile iron production, electrical steel manufacturing. High quality ferrosilicon contributes significantly to improved product quality and process efficiency. Now ferromanganese, FeMn. Next is ferromanganese. This alloy contains iron and manganese and is essential in steel production. Key benefits: increase hardness, improve toughness, enhances wear resistance, improves strength. Applications: structural steel, railway tracks, heavy engineering products, construction materials, automotive components. Ferromanganese is considered a backbone material in modern steel making operations. Now silicomanganese, SiMn. Silicomanganese combines the benefits of silicon and manganese. It serves both as a deoxidizer and alloying material. Advantages: improved steel cleanliness, better mechanical properties, enhanced toughness, cost-effective alloying solution. Applications: alloy steel manufacturing, construction steel, automotive steel grades, engineering applications. Many steel plants rely heavily on silicomanganese to achieve desired metallurgical properties. Ferrochrome, FeCr. Ferrochrome is indispensable in stainless steel manufacturing. Benefits: excellent corrosion resistance, improved oxidation resistance, increased hardness, better wear resistance. Major applications: stainless steel production, chemical processing equipment, food processing equipment, medical equipment, industrial machinery. Without ferrochrome, the production of stainless steel would not be possible. Ferronickel, FeNi. Ferronickel plays a critical role in specialty steels. Advantages: improves corrosion resistance, enhances toughness, increases strength at high temperatures, improves durability. Applications: stainless steel production, offshore structures, marine equipment, chemical plants, oil and gas industry. As demand for stainless steel continues growing globally, ferronickel remains a strategic alloy. Now, ferromolybdenum, FeMo. Ferromolybdenum is used in high performance steels. Benefits: improves strength at elevated temperatures, enhances corrosion resistance, improves creep resistance, increase hardness. Applications: pressure vessels, power plants, oil and gas equipment, aerospace components, industrial machinery. This alloy is critical where extreme operating conditions are involved. Ferrovanadium, FeV. Ferrovanadium significantly improves steel strength. Advantages: higher tensile strength, improved toughness, grain refinement, better fatigue resistance. Applications: high strength structural steel, automotive industry, tool steels, construction projects. Even small additions of vanadium can create substantial performance improvements. Ferrotitanium. Ferrotitanium is widely used as deoxidizer and stabilizer. Benefits: improves steel clearness, controls grain structure, enhances mechanical properties. Applications: stainless steel, specialty steel grades, engineering products. Ferrophosphorus. Ferrophosphorus provides specific metallurgical benefits. Advantages: improves fluidity in castings, enhances wear resistance, increases strength in selected applications. Industries: foundries, casting manufacturers, engineering industries. Now, importance of quality in ferroalloys. Let us see this. Not all ferroalloys are created equal. Quality directly impacts production efficiency, product performance, rejection rates, cost effectiveness, customer satisfaction. When purchasing ferroalloys, industry should evaluate chemical composition consistency, purity levels, trace element control, manufacturer reliability, quality certifications, batch consistency. Choosing low quality materials may lead to production issues, poor metallurgical performance, and increased costs. Now, procurement challenges faced by industries. Many industries face common sourcing challenges: price volatility, supply chain disruptions, inconsistent quality, delivery delays, limited power supplier options, technical support gaps. These challenges can significantly impact production schedules and profitability. This is where a reliable sourcing partner becomes valuable. Why industries choose URGS International? At URGS International, we understand the technical and commercial challenges associated with industrial raw material procurement. Our goal is simple: to provide reliable, cost-effective, and quality-focused ferroalloy supply solutions. Our strengths: strong manufacturer network, reliable sourcing channels, competitive commercial support, pan-India supply capability, export support, technical coordination, flexible procurement solutions, bulk order management, industrial grade quality assurance. Industries we serve. Our ferroalloy solutions support steel industry, providing alloying materials for carbon steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel production. Foundries supporting iron and steel casting operations. Automotive industry helping manufacturers produce high strength components. Heavy engineering supporting fabrication and machinery manufacturing. Infrastructure projects providing materials for large scale development projects. Oil and gas sector supplying alloy solutions for demanding operating conditions. Export markets supporting international procurement requirements. Our commitment at URGS International: we believe that long-term partnerships are built on quality, reliability, transparency, technical understanding, customer satisfaction. We continuously work with trusted manufacturers and suppliers to ensure our customers receive materials that meet industrial expectations. At last conclusion, Ferroalloys are the foundation of modern metallurgy, from ferrosilicon and ferromanganese to ferrochrome, ferronickel, ferromolybdenum, ferrovanadium, ferrotitanium, and specialized alloy solutions. These materials enable industries to produce stronger, safer, and more durable products. Choosing the right sourcing partner can make a significant difference in product quality, operational efficiency, and overall business performance. URGS International is proud to support industries with reliable ferroalloy sourcing solutions backed by technical expertise, supply chain strength, and customer focused service. Thank you for watching. For procurement support, technical discussions, bulk requirements, project inquiries, and long term supply partnerships, please contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. URGS International, your trusted partner for industrial raw materials, engineering solutions, and global supply excellence. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.